Right now we're gonna be testing cheap MOEN faucet, not cheapest one, $119, but it's close to 100, and see what's going on, how they're working, and what's happened with this cheap MOEN faucet. And right now let's see how long it takes to install the faucet. Okay, I will start my timer and ready, go. Okay, it's taken me 2 minutes 32 seconds to install the faucet. It's already installed, but mistake what I have. Your handle turned all the way to the sink and not all the way to here. I didn't adjust where is the center, and when I installed the handle, it's like it should be center over here. And when you turn right now this side, and MOEN, it's pretty easy to do this because you cannot really tighten in from under sink. It's almost impossible with the MOEN system how they do. And over time, of course, like 80% they're gonna be loose. Before the open water, looking at the supply line, before the open water, always disconnected. Open and drain all debris from the line, because other way you will clog the filter and lose the pressure. You don't want to have that problem with the faucet in the first day. Right now we're opening. Yeah, in California water restriction is flow really small, probably 125. Where is it? If you want to flood floor in your kitchen, you can do that. It's not a problem at all. Let's see. Sprayo. It's like regular one. It's pretty low. It's a pressure what I see, and water flow is pretty low, lower than any other faucet. With this faucet, you have to by hand push all the way back and install in the place where it should be. Any other way it doesn't work. Right now, I will turn on my hydrojet, hotjet USA, and we will put pressure up to 1000 psi for the faucet. Normally your pressure 75 in the house. We do just crash test. It's nothing else, it's just crash test. Let's see what's happened. Right now we just finished the crash test with 1000 psi, and what we see is where the cartridge is failed, but working is pretty normal, doesn't feel like broken inside. I'm surprised sprayer is good and nothing happened with the sprayer. When we tested with same way faucet over the $200 MOEN, we have a lot of water start coming on the bottom from here. Most of the water coming from here, not from the cartridge. But here, water not going inside the cabinet, they're going from the cartridge. It's like, sounds better because it's more solid inside, and if something happens, it's just a cartridge, not inside, outside the kitchen sink, and it's good. If you want to see more review for different plumbing fixture at your house, subscribe my channel, and I will do more.